The first step in this recipe is hard boiling a dozen eggs. After bringing the eggs to a boil, cover the pot and cut the heat for 10 minutes before immediately submerging the eggs in ice water to stop the cooking process. These are the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. Years ago, Sarah and I decided to switch from dangerous Teflon-coated cookware to ceramic coating. We landed on GreenLife's line of ceramic cookware and have been very pleased with it. Besides being safer than PTFE, it's also more environmentally friendly to produce. I'll drop a link in the description of this video for you to check out. Simmer the mixture until the sugar is completely dissolved. How's it going, everybody? These are the pickled beet eggs that I made about 5 days ago. You can technically eat these within 4 hours of putting them in the fridge, but I wanted to let them marinate a little bit, and they look pretty neat. But in all honesty, I've never eaten a beet before.
I haven't had one.
Okay.
I mean, like, the word beet, I probably don't like it.
No. They look like cranberries, like sliced cranberries to me. Like what you'd have on, like they come in the tube.
Yeah, Thanksgiving.
Yeah, exactly. That's what they look like. They smell like dirt, so not very appealing to the nose, really. But we're gonna give it a go. They're pickled, so what I've heard is they taste pretty good when they're pickled. We'll see about that. It does have a little bit of an earthy smell to it. I can smell the vinegar. I can smell the pickling spice. Yeah, Elliot's crying in the background.
He doesn't like beets either.
All right, you ready?
Sure.
Yeah, cheers. It's actually pretty sweet.
Very sweet. Way sweeter than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah. I can still pick up a little bit of the earthiness from the beets, but it's not off-putting to me.
It's not bad. It's better than I thought it was going to be.
Coming into this, you were anticipating something a little more peppery, I think, and I don't think that would be terrible in this. I think it could use a little bit more of a kick.
Yeah, I was duped.
You were duped. I duped you. It could use a little bit more of a kick, so maybe I'll modify the recipe to have...
Maybe like habaneros?
habaneros. I've
Ghost
got
peppers.
ghost peppers. I'm gonna be growing ghost peppers this year, so maybe the next time I make this, we'll throw some ghost peppers in there and regret it. Should we try the beet?
Yeah.
So this is then straight beet that was pickled in there in the jar with everything. So, all right.
No. That's an awful mouthfeel.
Yeah, I don't think I'm a fan of beets. You don't have to put the sliced beets in here with the eggs. I just chose to do that because I've never had beets before and I thought I'd try it pickled. Not a big fan. So maybe next time I won't put any of the beets in there and I'll just keep the juice. Yeah, the egg wasn't terrible. Could just use a little bit more kick to it. I guess I'd say it's a success. It's not off-putting. I'd eat more.
Mm-hmm.
So there's another use for all your backyard chicken eggs. I think that's gonna close this video out. I don't have anything more to add. It was decent. Just maybe some more kick to it. I might modify the recipe for that. Yeah?
Yeah, it was good, Mike.
All right, buddy.
Thanks for duping me.
Well, thanks for trying it out with me. Appreciate it. Take care, everyone.